Here I have Huawei P30 and let me show you how to activate Darken Interface on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings. From the list select the battery, so it's the green icon with the battery, and then scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and then you will notice Darken Interface colors. So you can apply a darker color theme to save your power, or just because you prefer this option. So just click over here to use it, and as you can see now your display is black and all the letters are white, so it's just the opposite. If you'd like to go back to standard mode, to standard display, just go to the battery one more time and unclick it, the Darken Interface colors. So just click over here and now you're back in standard normal display. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.